Hi, my name is Asta Somani, and here at Linguify, I work as a research and development intern. This field studies the neurological perspective of the learning disabilities. It is very important to understand what actually goes on in the brain at a cellular level. Our brain is made of millions of cells called as the neurons, and when these link together, they form a network or a map. In the brain, the main center for function, processing, cognition, and organization is the cortex. Such networks, when formed in the cortex, are known as the cortical networks or the cortical maps. These carry signals throughout the brain, and when disrupted in any form, they may lead to what is known as a disability, which is basically an impaired function of a particular region of the brain. The ongoing research focuses on a property of these cortical maps known as plasticity. Plasticity allows these cortical maps to be remolded and reshaped. This happens with extensive learning and therapy. Hence, if a learning disability is detected and treated right away, it increases plasticity. When plasticity increases, the brain regains the lost function and the lost activity of the impaired areas. As a result, the child shows progress and improvement in his or her condition. Thank you.
Jean Piaget's theory of language development suggests that children use both assimilation and accommodation to learn language. Assimilation is the process of changing one's environment to place information into an already existing schema. Accommodation is the process of changing one's schema to adapt to a new environment. Piaget's stage model consisted of 4 parts. To begin with was the sensory motor that happened from birth to ages 18 to 24 months. Here the child was being introduced to the world and has learned basic actions. This is followed by the pre-operational, which happens from toddlerhood through early childhood, that's age 7. Children are now egocentric and have words and names for objects. This is then followed by concrete operational, which is from ages 7 to 11 years. Here the thinking becomes more organized, they begin to think logically. And finally, formal operational takes place. This is from adolescence to adulthood. Reasoning and abstract thinking now takes place. Moral, ethical, and political ideas now take place in a child's knowledge and conversations. The child has now covered all the stages that Piaget believed must be done. Ages can vary to reach full human intelligence and for cognitive development and language development to happen completely. If a child has a learning difficulty, they must have other strengths that, with the help of right intervention and support, can help them with education. Linguify Skills Hub does exactly that. Regardless of the disability, the specialist staff here will provide a customized one-to-one support and effective intervention with the right subjects for the students to help them learn and achieve in the future. We begin with a psych-ed assessment which pertains to the child's history and background, followed by the identification of the challenges with learning. Strengths and weaknesses are both put forth and then analyzed by our specialists. This produces a Wave 3 intervention program to support the child. We provide support to both schools and parents and help them realize the capabilities of a child, and that if taught in the right ways, everyone can be helped at school. For Linguify believes in inspiring the genius in every child through individualized, differentiated learning.